Welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. I'm Yaz, and today we're going to be doing the ultimate Christmas Day makeup. On Christmas Day, when there's family to see, food to eat, and presents to open, this quick yet glam look is here so that you can enjoy the festivities whilst looking flawless. Of course, we're going to start off with the Underglow Blurring Primer. It's the best primer out there. It gives your skin such a lovely glow whilst blurring the skin. It's amazing. How gorgeous is this glow? Next, I'm going in with the Radiance Booster in Toffee Glow. The Radiance Booster delivers a perfect veil of tinted radiance all over the skin, and it's the perfect product because it's really nice and lightweight, so you can wear it on its own or you can wear it underneath your foundation. To conceal and brighten these under eyes, I'm going to be using the Radiant Concealer and Brightening Duo in Golden Deep. I'm first going to go in with the Brightening Crayon under this eye so you can see how it brightens my under eye. Do you see how bright this under eye is compared to this eye? It's so nice and bright, and this is just with the crayon. Next, I'm going in with the fluid concealer just to brighten this eye even more and conceal. Do you see how nice and illuminated my under eyes are? Don't they look amazing? I'm obsessed. Now it's time for contour. I'm going to be using the Ultimate Bronzing Powder in the shade Warm Deep Bronze. Isn't this absolutely stunning? So nice and bronze. Look at how my skin looks. Look at the difference between this side and this side. I'm obsessed with this bronzer already. It's stunning. Next, I'm going to go in with the Silk and Glow Duo, and I'm using the shade Coral Glow. So pretty. Gorgeous. And one thing I love about using all powder products is that you do not have to reapply throughout the day, as you do not have too many layers of cream based formulas all over the face, so your makeup lasts longer and all day. Next up, we're going to be using my favorite, the Liquid Brow Silk Max Hold. What I like to do is brush it through my brows first backwards so that I coat every single hair on my brow, and then I brush it into the desired shape that I like. I do this to ensure that my brows are coated evenly, and this will last you 6 hours, so this is perfect for Christmas Day. Next is the eyes, and we're going to be using the Desk to Dance eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. It's a 20 shade eyeshadow palette, and it has mattes and shimmers, so the eye look opportunities are endless. So let's create a nice Christmassy eye look. I'm going to start off with the shade I've Arrived. I'm going to go in with the shade Don't Mind Me. Next, I'm going in with the shade Booked and Busy. To add a bit of sparkle, I'm going to go in with the shade Manifest. Wow, that is so sparkly. Now that the eye look is almost complete, we're going to be using the Smokey Kajal in Natural Neutral just to add a little bit of a wing to my eye. Going to be taking the lighter side to give my waterline a nice wide-eyed refreshed look. Now I'm just finishing off my under eye. I'm just going to pop my Triple Threat mascara on off camera. I'll be right back. Finally, we're onto the lips, and we're going to be using my favorite shade, the Melting Touch Lip Balm in Love Language. These are literally the perfect lip product, as you don't have to worry too much about the perfect application. They apply so beautifully. So cute on the lips. It just ties the makeup look together. And they apply the perfect amount of colour and gloss, as well as having lip-loving ingredients such as vitamin E to keep your lips nice and nourished throughout the day. And to finish this lovely glowy Christmas look, we're going to be using the Prep Set and Glow Spray. And I love these because it literally looks so gorgeous and so pretty. Like, how could you not love this? And get some on the décolletage as well. I just love how glowy this makeup look is. Like, it's stunning. Cheers! This look turned out absolutely amazing. I'm so obsessed with this look. What do you think? And it was so quick and easy to do as well. I'm obsessed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!